let me show you why you need clean cans. So we're going to take swabs from the insides of 3 different trash cans. One trash can gets cleaned by Clean Cans on a monthly basis, and the other 2 don't get cleaned at all, and we'll show you the difference. Alright, so we have 2 Petri dishes. One half is marked the Clean Can, that gets a monthly service. The other is one of the cans that doesn't get service. So we have A and B. We have some distilled water, and then we have cotton swabs. So let's go ahead and take the first test of the Clean Cans can. Take the clean swab. Still water again. And now we're going to do dirty can A on this side. That's that. Here. And now we need one more clean swab. There's a 2 here. Clean Cans monthly on top, and then A and B, ones that don't get cleaned on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to come back in 24 hours, 48 hours and 72 hours, and we'll check on the growth in each of the Petri dishes, again to show you why you need Clean Cans.